For today's video, I wanted to share with you the design for this year's party theme for my godson. He turned 5 this year and his family decided on Thomas the Train. I'll start with his birthday invitation. I found the simple background online and added his information along with the address and a QR code for his guests to go online and fill out a waiver. His party was held at a trampoline park. Here's a look at his birthday party banner. I used a simple flag design with train tracks and red letters. I also added Thomas to the sides. Next, I'll show you the party signs. First up is Welcome to the Party. This sign was for the coloring station. This sign was for the dining car where we had food located. Lastly, this area was for snacks such as chips, drinks, and cupcakes. These were used as decorations in the corner. I took boxes and wrapped solid color paper around them and added designs for each train. These faces were used for the treat bags. I made these water bottle labels using Photoshop. I chose the striped background with a white circle with the Thomas the Engine image in the center and the number 5. I purchased these cookie lollipops and had Thomas and the birthday boy's name added to the front. I used these round circles for cupcake toppers. I printed the image on adhesive paper, added them to red cardstock, and put a toothpick on the back. These cups of yogurt were also served at the party. They are clear cups with vanilla yogurt, and they have a red and white scallop-shaped striped image on the top. I added Thomas the Train to complete the look. This tag was added to the treat bags. Finally, this banner was used as a backdrop for photos. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.